The following operator training video is for the Hobart FT1000e Low Energy Series Flight Type Dish Machine. Cleaning. A manual cleaning is still required at the end of each day to deep clean the machine. Warning: disconnect electrical power supply and follow lockout-tagout procedures before beginning cleaning. There may be multiple circuits. Be sure all circuits are disconnected. Before beginning a manual cleaning, push the power key on the keypad to turn the machine off. Open all front access doors. Drain the machine by swinging each of the tank drain handles to the left. Draining the tanks requires approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Remove and clean the curtains. Before removing the strainer baskets and pans, clean the interior and all tank shelves. Flush all debris toward the strainers. Remove the wash arms by lifting up on the arm, clearing the tab from the notch in the wash arm support track. Slide upper arms forward, swinging the front of the arm down. Slide the lower arms forward. Tilt arms down toward tank, allowing any water to drain before removing. Once removed, clean arms in a sink, opening the slider bars to flush food soil from the arms. Remove the strainer baskets and strainer pans, including the dual rinse strainer pan. Empty strainers into a trash receptacle or food waste disposer. Note: do not strike the strainer pans or strainer baskets on solid objects to dislodge debris. Scrub the strainer pans and baskets in a sink. Remove the dual rinse and final rinse arms and clean debris from the nozzles and arms. When cleaning, use only products formulated to be safe on stainless steel. Flush tanks with a water hose, removing any accumulation of food soil. Reinstall all arms in their proper location and orientation. Ensure that the upper arm nozzles point downward and that the lower arm nozzles point upward. To install arms, slide manifolds on the supports toward the rear of the machine and ensure the tabs on the sides of the arms drop into the notches in the supports. Replace the cleaned strainer pans and baskets. Reinstall the curtains according to the curtain chart located on the front of the control box, or refer to your operation manual. Clean the machine exterior like any other stainless steel appliance, with a damp cloth and mild soapy water. Spray the channels where the sensors are located at the load end of the machine. Note: do not attempt to clean these with any metallic object, as damage to sensors can occur. To clean the ASR system, remove the external scrap basket located beneath the load section. Empty food soil, rinse basket in a sink, and replace. Remove the upper and lower ASR wash arms. To remove the upper arm, pull back on the tab, allow the arm to drop and pull out. To remove the lower arm, pull up slightly and pull the arm out. Rinse both arms in the sink and check to be sure all nozzles are clear of debris. Inside of the ASR section, remove the strainer pan and then remove the soil collector standpipe. Clean these components in a sink using a sprayer hose. Use a hose to spray down the inside of the ASR section as well. Replace all components when complete. To replace the soil collector standpipe, drop the bottom of the tube into the drain body located at the bottom of the ASR tank. Place the strainer basket on top, noting that it sits slightly higher than the tank. Replace the lower wash arm by following the guide rail and pushing the tube into place in the manifold. Replace the upper wash arm by pushing the tube into the upper manifold, pushing up and snapping into place. This has been the operator training video for the Hobart FT1000e Series Flight Type Dish Machine. If you have further questions, consult your operation manual. Visit our website at www.hobartcorp.com or contact your Hobart representative.